actually right here. Let's get a little close-up look at it. I'm using my 3-cell 2200 LiPo, 30 amp ESC. The same things I had in the experimental Delta. Everything's ready to go. Have my ultimate power pack in here. So that means all the electronics, I can just pull it out and everything will just come out, besides the battery. Batteries, all I want you to know is just for weight right now. Made at a Dollar Tree foam board. This was $3 with a frame, $10 power pack, $4 for the servos. So this point ended up about 30 bucks right here. That's very good for something like this. Mine is the transmitter and battery. But yeah, I have a prop saver for those bad times. And yeah, let's go on to launch it.